Threshold is a housing charity which helps people with housing difficulties. We hope this short informational video will help you with your housing problem. Private rented accommodation is usually advertised through websites, to-let sections in newspapers and local property agents. Your family, friends and colleagues may also know of available places to rent. The most important piece of advice is not to rush in and accept the first place you see, as this can lead to problems later. Firstly, you need to know how much rent you can afford and where you would like to live. When viewing a property, look out for the following. What are the facilities in the area? Is the outside of the building generally well kept? Are there any signs of damp or mould inside? Is the property generally well maintained? And is everything supplied in good working order? Also, insist on any repairs being done before you move in, and if possible, get this in writing. Your landlord may ask for one or more of the following: a reference from your employer, a reference from a previous landlord, bank statements or payslips, driving licence or passport, and your PPS number. In most cases, your landlord will ask you for a deposit up front, which is normally 1 month's rent, but can be more. You should not hand over money until you are happy with the property and the terms and conditions of the lease. Avoid paying in cash and always ask for a receipt. Lease agreements are optional, but your landlord must provide you with at least a rent book. Rent books can be purchased from Threshold. If you're offered a lease or contract, read it carefully before signing, and contact Threshold if you have any further concerns. Always keep a copy of the lease or rent book. A landlord or agent cannot discriminate against you on a number of grounds set out by law. These include gender, family status, civil status, sexual orientation, age, race, religion, membership of the traveller community, and disability. If you feel you have been discriminated against, contact Threshold or the Equality Authority for further advice. Refusal to accept rent supplement is not considered discrimination, as there is currently no legal obligation on a landlord to accept it. Your landlord has up to 1 month to register your tenancy with the PRTB, which is the Private Residential Tenancies Board. Your rights as a tenant are not affected in any way if your landlord does not register your tenancy. We hope this information has been helpful. For further advice and assistance, contact threshold.ie.